Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
The vacation bench of the High Court on Wednesday heard the PIL suo motu taken on the issue of dead fish found in the Mala Lake. During the hearing, CCP submitted that after inspection, it was found that 7 houses were discharging the sewage waste into Mala Lake, and sewage outlets of 7 houses have been already sealed. During inspection, it was found that sewage pipeline was damaged at one place, due to which untreated sewage water was overflowing in Mala Lake. The Sewage Corporation further submitted that the damaged sewage pipeline will be rectified within a week time. After the hearing, the High Court directed the CCP that any of the house owner of those 7 houses whose sewage outlets have been sealed file application for the sewage connection, then the authorities will expedite the connection of sewage line to those households. The High Court has adjourned the hearing in this matter for 9th June for further consideration. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.